Welcome back to Sitaraka's Affair. Today we're exploring the bold, confident, and powerful world of Leo, a sign known for its magnetic presence, leadership abilities, and passion. With a heart full of ambition and the spirit of a natural leader, Leo natives inspire us to take charge and be bold. Let's get started and uncover everything about this incredible fire sign. Leo is the epitome of strength, leadership, and fiery determination. Their natural inclination to lead, combined with a sharp mind and energetic personality, makes them stand out in any crowd. They are known for their radiant, authoritative aura and their strong desire to make their presence felt. Leo is all about self expression, power, and asserting oneself. With qualities like bravery, speed, strength, and decisiveness, this sign thrives on power and authority, often seen as kingly figures resembling a mighty lion. Leos believe in living life confidently and without hesitation. They crave admiration and have a tendency to dominate in situations. Leo individuals are characterized by an internal fire that drives them to be both passionate and grounded in their pursuits. Although they can be seen as fiery or intense at first glance, they're also calm and deliberate. Their approach to life is full of energy and they love to lead, organize, and manage situations. With a keen sense of self trust, they attract people with their natural charm and charisma. Leos are born leaders. They rarely shy away from responsibility and embrace the role of organizing and structuring everything around them. They take initiative and often gain others' admiration for their ability to handle complex situations with finesse and control. Leos tend to be emotional yet capable of thoughtful analysis. After a careful evaluation, they confidently draw conclusions and follow through with clear actions. They are not quick to jump to decisions without first considering all possibilities. Leos approach love with immense passion, loyalty, and devotion. They love to make their loved ones feel cared for and fulfilled, both emotionally and physically. Their desire to give joy to their partner is unmatched, making them incredibly generous and loving. Leos can sometimes display traits like controlling behavior, stubbornness, and an overemphasis on their own pride. They might also struggle with being overly self centered, insistent on admiration, or prone to arrogance. These tendencies, however, are rooted in their desire to feel valued and respected. They sometimes find it challenging to tolerate opposition or differing opinions. Leos thrive in jobs where they can lead or take charge. Positions that require commanding attention, confidence, and a take charge attitude are perfect for them. They excel in fields such as acting, public speaking, business management, directing, and organizational roles. Any position where they can channel their innate leadership skills into action, such as a director, social organizer, stockbroker, or company promoter, will give them the platform to shine. Leos are also drawn to roles that demand creativity and the ability to influence others. Their self confidence helps them shine in careers that require a strong vision and execution, making them ideal candidates for jobs in the entertainment industry, creative professions, or positions that involve public leadership. The core drive of Leo natives is to achieve power, authority, and influence. This need for control shapes their approach to various aspects of life. In terms of health, Leo governs the heart, back, and spine. They are vulnerable to conditions related to the heart and circulatory system. They may experience tension in their lower back or stress related issues. A healthy lifestyle that includes proper exercise and stress management is essential for Leos, as their heart plays a crucial role in their overall vitality. That wraps up our deep dive into the Leo zodiac sign. I hope you found this information insightful and useful in understanding the powerful and passionate energy that Leo brings to life. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sataraka Safar for more astrology insights. See you next time with another exciting zodiac sign.